Hello everyone, there is an income stream where you don't need followers, you don't need to be famous, and you don't need your audience. Brands pay you directly, sometimes between $150 to $500 per video. It's called UGC. Most people have never heard of it. Today I am breaking it down in the simplest way possible. What is UGC, how it works, and exactly how to start making money from it. Hello, this is Daily Logged In. I break down real income streams, not hype, not to get rich quickly. Today the topic is UGC, which stands for User Generated Content. If you have never heard of the term, don't worry, by the end of this video you will understand it completely and you will know exactly how to start. Okay, moving to part 1. What is UGC really? Let's keep this simple. UGC means content made by a regular person, not by brand itself. Think about it like this. If a company posts a polished ad, that's branded. But if a normal person films themselves using the product and talk about it casually, that's UGC. Now you will be thinking, why does this matter? Because people trust people, not ads. Most shoppers say they trust content made by regular people and more than content made by the brands. That's why companies are paying good money for it. They want the same trust, real reviews, real voices talking about their products. But here's the important part. You don't post this content on your own page. The brands pay you to create it. Then they post it on their own social media, their ads and their website. You are being paid to create, not to have an audience. Remember, you don't need followers, you just need a camera and a voice. Okay, moving to part 2. What does UGC content actually look like? There are few common types, so you know exactly what you would be making. Product reviews. You talk about a product like you are recommending it to a friend. Unboxing videos. Filming yourself opening and reacting to a product. Tutorials. Showing how you use something step by step. Testimonials. Short videos saying why you like a product. That's it. No fancy equipment needed to start. A phone, decent lighting, and a clear voice is enough in the beginning. Part 3. How much can you actually earn? Let's talk about real numbers, cause this is what everyone actually wants to know. As a complete beginner, most creators charge somewhere between $50 to $150 per video. That sounds small, but here's the thing. One video might take you an hour or two to film and edit. Do a few of these a week and it adds up fast. As you get more experience and build a portfolio, rate jumps from $300 to $500, even higher per video. And here's something most beginners don't know. If a brand wants you to use your video in paid ads, not just in their normal page, you can charge extra for that. It's called usage rights. Some experienced creators have built this into full businesses, making thousands of dollars a month just from repeated brands. The honest truth. It starts small, but it's one of the lowest barrier income streams that actually exist right now. Okay, the second last and the fourth part is how to actually start it. Here's your real starting plan, step by step. Step 1. Make 3 to 5 sample videos. Pick any product you already own, doesn't have to be sponsored. Film yourself reviewing it, like you are talking to a friend. This becomes your portfolio. Step 2. Set up a simple profile and write in your bio, I create UGC content. Pin your best sample video and a way for the brands to contact you. Keep it clean and simple. Step 3. Join UGC platforms. There are websites built specifically to connect creators with brands. Places like Below, Trend, Join Brands, and Incenses are commonly used in 2026. You don't need to join all of them. Pick one or two and be active. Step 4. Start pricing fairly. You don't work for free. Beginners sometimes get pressured into free work for exposure. Don't do it. Charge something even if it's small. It sets the tone for how brands treat you going forward. Step 5. Always get it in writing. Before you film anything, make sure the brand confirms the rate, the deliverable, and the deadline. Even a simple written message is enough. It protects you if something goes wrong. Never work for free, not even for exposure. Here's why I think UGC is worth mentioning on this channel specifically. It doesn't need to have an audience, it doesn't need to have a big following, and it can run alongside everything else. It's not passive, you are trading time for money, same as normal gig, but it's flexible, it's beginner friendly, and it can become one solid piece of a bigger income puzzle instead of your only income source. Not passive, but flexible, fast to start, and stackable. Okay, so here's the recap of the whole video. UGC means content made by a regular person for a brand to use in their marketing. You get paid per video, not per follower. Beginners typically starts around $50 to $150 a video, and it grows from there with experience and usage rights. Start with simple videos. Build a simple profile, join a platform or two, and never work for free. Okay everyone, if this video was useful, subscribe. I'm covering more real beginner friendly income streams like this one every week. Thank you for watching and see you soon.